In this video, I'm about to show you how to enable your card for international transactions. Visit your bank's website and log in with your credentials. Once on your dashboard, look for the Manage Card Usage section and use the toggle to switch your card settings from domestic to international transactions. Alternatively, you can call your bank's toll-free customer support number and inform them of your request to enable international transactions. If you prefer using a smartphone app, open your mobile banking app, log in, and navigate to services. Expand the debit card section, select Enable/Disable for your debit card, choose the account number linked to the card, and select the specific card. Then follow the prompts to enable or disable international transactions by using the slider buttons and entering your transaction password to confirm. Before enabling international transactions, ensure that you meet certain criteria. Not all debit cards support international transactions, so check with your bank before requesting one. Also, ensure your account complies with KYC, know your customer regulations, and is verified. Most major banks offer this feature, but smaller banks may not, so verify this before opening an account. Additionally, make sure your debit card is compatible with the payment platforms used in your destination country. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.